be right back. Alright, so we were working more on, oh yeah, I was doing the shaders for these buildings. And I just got the driving physics working better. Do a barrel roll. It's kind of fun to just mess around like that. So, I still think the driving physics might need some work. So first of all, I think the turning should be based off velocity. Okay, I'm pretty good at doing those front flips. Alright, I was also thinking a bit about the city generation. So like, instead of just generating it in fixed blocks, where each block size is fixed, I'm thinking of subdividing it, so that like some blocks might have big buildings, so not all the buildings are the same size. Or not all the buildings are the same width and height. Actually, I almost think I have it programmed in to give them different heights. Oh yeah, I could just modify the position in this. So I think I might work on the building shader for a bit. Alright, so I was working on a random fractal here. Mirroring, rotating. Oh, I guess I need the map open to test this. Alright, so I can kind of see the distorting pattern right here. I think I'm going to change this from a sphere or a circle to a box. This is automatically repeating by 100, so I don't necessarily need to make it repeat. do without any repetitions. Okay, that's not bad. That's actually better and kind of what I'm going for. I'm kind of going for buildings with these like geometric patterns on them. It's just supposed to be like abstract, not highly detailed. I might end up, I'll probably end up replacing this gray with like an actual concrete texture. Something like that. I feel like these textures, I'll need to change these textures, they aren't very good. I guess they do okay as placeholders. So let's try switching this up. Not enough repeating in this. Okay, so let's try repeating this now. I'm wondering if 100 is enough to repeat. Maybe do 200. And how much should I repeat this by? I'm thinking maybe just 10. This looks like broken textures. Yeah, so I don't want to make them look exactly like windows. Actually, maybe if I flipped this inside out, like that might actually be decent. Man, I'm getting some really bad music this morning. almost wondering about going for something more simple, like just varying amounts of repeating block patterns instead of going for like a complex fractal-like shape like this. Let's try something else. Still gonna start with random, splitting it into blocks and assigning random hash values to each block. Alright, so this will change the scaling of the blocks. This will change how the blocks look. So we'll use this random value to change the block scaling. Hopefully. Rand mod 1, so then multiplying this by like 0.2 will scale that down, but only like one block happens across that same amount. It does not seem like it's working, honestly. Oh wait, right here. No, I'm gonna make them blocks. So this should actually have varying scales. Sometimes it should be bigger on the X and sometimes it should be bigger on the Y. Does not look like it's doing that. So some of these should be taller and skinnier than each other's. I guess I will debug this rand value. Okay, this rand value is not good. not good.
It is time.
Yeah, that's not really random. I guess I could try multiplying this. So it does seem random. This is weird. This should actually be a better hash, I think. I guess I could try just replacing FP with BP and see how this works. Yeah, so this actually doesn't look like... it's not amazing of a hash. I guess it's a decent hash from far enough away. When you get close, it has a moire pattern. Huh. So maybe I need to scale this really small. That actually looks alright. Oh yeah, and actually this should have XYZ. Oh my god, I'm not understanding what is happening. I'm combining these with dot products by adding them up when they should be separate. Oh my god. It actually all makes sense. So this is why the fractal wasn't working properly either. So this should become noise from far enough away. Why does it become more red? Why when I scale this up does it become more red? I guess precision issues? Yeah, that's weird. It's like it disappears after a certain point because of, I guess, precision issues. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need a better hash function. what do I want to do? Maybe a sign based? Sign is usually pretty fast. Okay, that actually works from a faraway distance. That is a hash. I guess maybe I'll generate random multipliers for that. That's weird, it closed the console I had open when I opened that. How much did I scale it by? So this is on a scale of like 100. There we go, that's a nice hash. So now that we have that hash, I don't know why I keep stopping playing the game. Wait, that shouldn't be a hash right now. Floor, VP divided by 40. Oh, I'm doing VP instead of FP. Hopefully this will work. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. So now this should give us randomly shaped windows. Oh yes, perfect. Yes, that's actually what I was going for. Simple, but I think effective. So let me just set this up now. So we've got the absolute value from the center here, and then minifying that. What would happen if we did max? It'd be inverted. I don't really get the difference. I guess in a way it's inverted. Which one do I like better? be swapping between them, actually. Doing max sometimes and min other times. That might be good. No, I think I liked it with min or max with the lights going up. I'm not sure actually, because I don't know if I want whole sides of the building lit up. I guess I could switch between them depending on Rand. Yeah, I think I like that. Barrel roll. I really gotta make it so that you can flip your car. I actually should make this a car, now that I mention that. Alright, I think I'm happy with this for the buildings. I think I'm just gonna make them different colors now. So, yeah, I don't know if I want to do a concrete. I almost feel like doing a concrete texture instead of just the gray. Doing just flat gray feels weird. So I'm going to try doing random building colors, depending on Rand. Probably gonna look kind of weird. Honestly, not bad. I feel like I could maybe make these a bit brighter. Oh yeah, they're not lit up. There we go, now they got a mission. So they should display in the shadows. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna try, I think, putting the city into blocks now. Or, sorry, different sized blocks. So doing like some buildings that are bigger than others. See, the issue is, that'll make things way more complicated. That will make things way more complicated. I might abandon this. This might just be a prototype that gets abandoned. That is okay. I said at the beginning of this that making a car that drives around is pretty difficult. I almost feel like I should do something though, like the loop-de-loop here is like fun. I should do something with this. Even if it's not this original city idea I was thinking of doing. Like, I don't need to do this procedural city, there's other things to do. Yeah, I guess I could just put a bunch of, like, jumps and stuff around. And just let you just, like, drive around. I'm just thinking, yeah, how do I want to design this? I think I am going to keep it in blocks. But I think I'm gonna make the blocks bigger. I think I might make the blocks bigger because, I don't know, maybe not. I'm just thinking how I can make a little decent city that you can drive around in while... Originally what I was planning to do was actually designing a bunch of like upper roadways and stuff and doing road generation using voxels, but I'm just like, I don't think I'm that dedicated to this game, and I'm not that into racing games anyways. I think I'm good with what I've done so far here with just making a little drivable car. So I'm just thinking now, like, how can I quickly make this city have some fun stuff? I know the loop-de-loop is already good, so I'm thinking of adding stuff like the loop-de-loop. Makes it more fun to drive around the city. But I just don't want to put too much effort into it. I'm just thinking, I guess I could do jumps out of, I guess I could do jumps in the terrain. I'm try making the buildings fatter, hold on. Is that like no room for roads? Oh yeah, so that's like jam-packed. So no sun hits the city now. Wait, so can I drive up walls in this system? Like if I put the car on a wall, can I drive up a wall? So I'm wondering if I put the loop-de-loop going like into the building. So like drive up onto the wall. Will that work? Oh, kind of, I think. I wonder what if I made a system where you could, drive up on a wall. Wall driving. Since no light is making it down, I'm going to point the skylight directly down. So if I get on the wall, can I... Yeah, so I can drive along the wall. I feel like it would make it really fun if you could, like, drive up a wall. I was wondering, how would I script that? Yeah, I don't know if this game is gonna become a game. This might just stay a little test of driving mechanics. So let's try to stop the car from being able to drive sideways too. Let's see if that fixes our issue of driving when sideways. Okay, well, we can't drive when we're sideways anymore, so there we go. Wonderful. We're still drifting, but... I was thinking, how can I easily make this city more interesting? Like, I'm thinking... if... I guess I could put roads going, like, along up here. I gotta think about this, whether or not I actually want to, like... Do I want to put in the time to make this an actual decent procedurally generated city that's more than just a grid of cubes? And it's like, do I care about these driving mechanics that much? Or like, I'm not a huge fan of driving games, but at the same time I feel like working on these driving and drifting mechanics to make them fun. Like, the loop-de-loop is definitely fun. Yeah, so I'm thinking I could replace some of the buildings with ramps and customize the individual blocks. So just do like a small amount of procedural generation. Yeah, I guess that would work. Alright, I'm happy we fixed our shitty car physics. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some water. Alright, I think I'm gonna go for lunch now. I'm still not sure. Like, I don't really have a plan for this game yet. It was mostly just, like, make a car that drives decently, and I have that. And now it's like, well, I could make a more detailed city that's a lot more fun to drive and drift around in, but it's like, I don't really have a plan or a detailed plan that I can actually execute for how to generate the city. I think I actually might try to turn this into a little game. Generate a little city that has a few ramps and things, maybe make it... Like, that's the thing as well, is it's how much procedural generation do I want to do. If I make it too different, it'll be really complicated. Make it like too random and too procedural. So I'm going to plan that out, what I really want to do with the game, if I even want to try to make this into a game. But yeah, I'm going to plan that out. I think I'll be back after lunch around 1 or 2 p.m. EST. If you're interested in watching that. Thank you for watching this morning. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. I'll see you around. I hope you have a good day, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Bye-bye.
Stop thinking, start dancing, dance the shit.